Hello everybody, welcome to another video. This video I'm going to be talking about some of the key sectors I'm going to be investing into, and I'm also going to be talking about GameStop, AMC, and how all these meme stocks could affect the general market. I'm just going to wait for a couple more people to join. So, so as we look at the market this morning, everything looked like it's starting to dip. And we have AMC, GameStop, and some of the red movers in the green. Um, I'm making this because I want to warn the people that with this, people might be expecting the stimulus package to give the market a quick little push, but I seriously think we need to consider these Reddit movers because I think a lot of people are going to be putting the money into these, and truthfully, I don't think these hedge funds have covered all their shorts because they shorted these a ridiculous amount. GameStop over 100%. Like, how are you gonna borrow and sell something more than what there is? 130%. So, and I did a asked the group who's still holding AMC and GameStop a couple weeks ago, and a lot of people are still holding AMC and GameStop. So I think another squeeze is coming. So I think these hedge funds are gonna have to pull their positions out of all these other stocks that they have to cover their asses here. So I'm anticipating there might be another squeeze on these stocks in the next week or so. So with that said, it only condone to these Reddit movers and stuff with money you could afford to lose and or afford to risk, I should say, because it's a risky situation. But I do think there's gonna be another push coming. But with that said, let's get into some sectors I'm gonna be um, investing into in this 2021 and moving forward. So the first sector I'm real big on is renewable energy. Energy in general is going to be exploding over these next years, but I think renewable energy with especially with Biden and everyone in office, it's I think renewable energy is really going to have a good year. And today is a good day to maybe pick some up because some of the stocks are getting wrecked today. So energy in general, another one is crude oil. As I see gas prices skyrocketing in New Mexico where I live, they're almost like up 50% this year. So crude oil I think is going to be producing great earnings throughout this whole year. So it's going to be a great year to have some crude oil stocks in your portfolio. And commodities in general because food prices and everything are skyrocketing. So all those companies are going to have some good earning reports this year, so I think it's going to be really, really great. Another one I'm highly stepping into this sector is the semiconductors. So we have a global chip shortage for everything, especially with automakers. Automotive makers have stopped production because of lack of chips. Also, computers, phones, almost everything digital technology wise has a chip in it, and there's a global chip shortage. So, semiconductors is a sector that I'm really bullish on throughout this whole year because they're really backed up. Next one, of course, is the EV sector. Electric vehicles are just, it's the trend, it's the future. So I think we have to be pretty bullish on EV in general, not just Tesla. Um, I really believe in Lucid Motors, man. That interview yesterday with Jim Cramer looks really great, and I think Lucid might have a better vehicle on the road in a couple years. So if you're looking for the next Tesla, Lucid might be that next Tesla, as Jim Cramer said, and I'm gonna say it too. So Lucid is looking very great in EV sector in general, guys. We all know that. Another sector I'm stepping into, I've been in this one, it's 5G. The 5G sector is really gonna keep accelerating. Um, 5G is not nearly close to fully being deployed. So there's so much equipment and stuff that needs to be distributed. So 5G is a sector that I'm crazy for. And of course, lithium batteries. There's very few lithium battery makers. So the ones that are in the game are have a good position to take up a lot of share in that space. So the lithium batteries is a big sector. I think that we have an opportunity to get in while it's still quite fairly valued. And of course the reopen plays. And we all have our own different reopen plays and stuff. Um, I think they're gonna be a good short-term trade for most of these reopen plays. We'll have a couple months of a great bullish gains. So the reopen sector as well. But these other sectors, energy, specifically renewable energy and crude oil, semiconductors, 5G, EV, lithium, and the reopen. Those are going to be the sectors I'm really bullish on throughout 2021. But I think we're going to have some good buying opportunities coming up, guys, because let's see if these hedge funds have to cover their asses on these shorts, guys. I think it might happen. So if there's a pullback in the general market, we have to be buying all those shares up. We gotta capitalize on that opportunity, guys. So I'm anticipating a pullback. I'm hoping for it because I'm gonna go crazy if there's a pullback. So I hope this video helps, guys. Dig deep into those sectors and let's keep growing and learning together, guys. Let's go.